onugbu, the pride of the Igbo kitchen. It is made from carefully chosen ingredients like cocoyam that thickens the soup. Palm fruits, when boiled and pounded, releases its golden oil. This is an advanced Igbo kitchen. I won't be pounding mine with mortar. I would rather process my palm fruits using my Relux 14-in-1 food processor, after which I will transfer the processed palm fruit in a pot and add my desired quantity of water, extract my juice and pour it in a clean pot, then go in with my meat stock. I also chopped some hot yellow pepper and onions using my Relux food processor. Then I added into the pot my ishioporoko, ose, azu, na ogiri. After mixing to combine, I covered and let the stockfish cook up a bit. Then, using my Relux 14-in-1 food processor, I went ahead to process my cocoyam. After blending until smooth, I scooped the blended cocoyam into the boiling pot of soup. I'll be using fried goat meat to cook the soup because I can, and as well because that is what I have at the moment. I added some crayfish, more dried Cameroon pepper, crushed seasoning, salt to taste, gave it a good mix, and I went in with my washed bitter leaf. At this point, the soup is ready. I just covered and let it simmer for a bit. Then I went ahead to serve it with better fufu that lacks home training. You go try out, I'm gonna go try out.